Our next performer, I'm so excited to see her because she's fucking fierce! And
Cool.
she's just an amazing woman, and she's a real woman like myself. Let's bring her on.
You're a
Are you
real
ready?
woman?
Maddie Nature!
All right.
It's the top of the season. The love runs high.